Welcome everyone in HueFin News. We are simply here at the moment, this quick video to show you more proof about language analysis and how it can be a very important tool for each and every one of you. But the only way that you're going to get this type of information is if you're one of our members on our Patreon page. On the right side of the screen is a video that we placed on Patreon yesterday. You can see that we did it yesterday around 5:50 p.m. On the left side of the screen is a chart for IOTA paired against Bitcoin on the Bitfinex exchange. We forecasted what you see on the left side of the chart to occur way ahead before the market actually moved. And I know you all may be wondering, like, how is he able to do that type of analysis without using what everyone else is using? Because, you see a lot of people using moving averages, Elliott waves, Fibonacci retracements, MACDs, stochastics. I mean, they have so many RSIs, they have so many indicators on their charts, simply causing you nothing but confusion. You can see here on our particular channel or our videos that we do not confuse you. The bars, our charts are nice and clean, easy to understand, and when we give you our analysis, we definitely show you the fact that it is easy to predict where prices are likely to go. So what I'm going to do now is to show you exactly what occurred in our analysis video yesterday. So I want you all to listen, and on the left side of the chart I want you to compare what we said versus what occurred in the market today. Okay, so have a listen. Satoshis to try to break it. So now next on the list is IOTA. You can see that IOTA is up 10.31%. Last trade was 234,490 Satoshis. In our video yesterday, we were analyzing IOTA to move back down to the downside, but we also told you all that if IOTA can stay above 210,000 Satoshis, that we will be looking for this currency to continue to move higher in price. And what a pretty good call for us. You can see that the market continued to move higher in price today. A lot of strength is coming into the space, but pay attention as I zoom out. You can see that 240,000 Satoshis is resistance. So the market simply came and achieved its objective today. So that's why it's so important to make sure that you're in the trade before the trade actually occurs, because now we have to wait and see whether or not we're going to maintain strength and try to break 240,000 Satoshis, because right now we are not getting any indications that we want to continue to move higher in price. 1 hour chart, again, a lot of volume came in on this particular bar, so we need to pay attention to what happens on this next 1 hour bar, because if it closes above this previous one, which is stockpile coming in the market, if it closes above, then there's still strength here. But if it closes below, then it definitely tells us that there's still some sellers around this price and that the market will continue to move to the downside. Ultimately, it might just come and hold support around 230,000, 231,000 Satoshis. There you go. I just told you right there that the market would come and ultimately hold support around 230,000 Satoshis. And you can see where we received the strength into the space and we shot immediately up higher from there. If it does that, then again, we're still looking for the market to continue to move higher in price. But if it breaks 230,000, expect IOTA to move back down to the downside, okay? So there you go. We told you all yesterday, well, if you were one of our members, we told you yesterday that we were looking for IOTA to continue to move higher, especially if it held support above 230,000. So that's what I want to show you all today. Is you're missing out on some very crucial information, because the only way to truly make money in the cryptocurrency space, even though it's an unregulated market, is to get in before the market actually moves in that direction. So for $3 a month, it's literally like 10 cents a day, you all could have access to this particular move in IOTA. You could have came in, set your position before the market actually moved, and you could have capitalized on our analysis from yesterday. So that's the key to language analysis, or even making money in the cryptocurrency spaces. You have to predict, you have to forecast, and that's what we have here at HueFin News. What we've been doing ever since 2017 on YouTube, and we have the historical information there to show you all that our analysis is pinpoint and very precise. And I'm not saying that we get it right 100% of the time, but again, we are very accurate in what we analyze. So if you're interested, that's where we at HueFin News on our Patreon page. You can sign up there and you have access to many more exclusive content that is not available anywhere else. I'll talk to you all later. Make sure you all maintain your profitability too. Have a good one.